Every note that the piano player is doing with his fingers, we're moving also the body. So let's get started with the lesson. First, what do we do with the music? The starting position is bending knees and hands with punches right on the hip bone, and we're looking down. The music starts, it's a little sticks, tum, 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 and you hear the clave, pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 right there. You lift and pam, pa, pam, pam, pam. Now you're gonna hear me say the notes. That's how you want to practice too. Don't count, just memorize the piano. It's like memorizing a whole page front and back of words. So we have four and then two. And we use our shoulder forward, 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 forward. That's 4 times. So the piano goes bam, 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 bam. Then it goes bam, bam, 1, 2. And we do shoulder again, but this time we turn a little bit more and we expand the leg and we open up the hands. And then the other side, we do shoulder. So that's our pattern, 4, 2. Bam, 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 bam. Then we do what's called a lace. Bam, 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 bam. Let's break that down. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So what's happening? You're crossing with your left, step to the side with your right, cross behind, and step to the side. Only 4 steps. Pam, 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 pam. Then turn your head to the side. Ding, ding. Then expand your chest out. Boom, like you're hitting someone with your chest. And then 1 and 2. Boom, boom, boom. It fits. Not exactly with the melody, but it fits with the feeling of it. So it goes bam, 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 ba, 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 da, 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 yeah. Now after we come here, it goes down, 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 down. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We cross behind. We bring the foot here together and we're at a diagonal. And then we step forward with our body weight. So we're going down, down, down. Then we cross behind, down, down, and we expand the left leg. So that's part 2 of the first part of the piano. Down, 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 down. Then we have the same. Down, 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 down. The melody is repeating for 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So we're imitating that by going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And instead of translating the same way, we do something different. We do again a lace, but finishing in a diagonal. 1, 2, that's cross to the side, behind, pop. And when you touch, you can lower yourself and look up. Doom, doom. So the last note goes up with the body. I hope you can see it. Now we can do that one more time with music together. Here we go. 2 claves. Pa, 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 pa. Pa, 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 pa. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Don't worry, it's not so difficult. We can practice it from here. We went down, up. Now you're gonna go tap, 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 kick. So there's 2 taps behind, 1 tap next to you, kick, step your foot back and step your left foot forward. Practice that by itself over and over and over. Bam, 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 bam. It's important to have that fluidity. And then I'll try now to mouth the melody again. Da dum, da dum, dum, dum. Here we go. Da dum, da dum, dum, dum. One more time. Da dum, da dum, dum, dum. Now we twist. in, out, out. Okay, so we're moving to the left of the stage, moving, and the last one we turn to the side. If we put the melody with it, da dum da dum 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 dum. Now there's 4 da dum 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 left. So we're gonna cross down, point to the front, point to the back, point to the front, and you're finished up to there. That's half of the piano. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now our last part, again, it's a little bit more complicated than the beginning, I know, but a good choreography is like an upside down pyramid. It gets better and better and better and better. And we go ba bum ba bum 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 ba bum bum bum. Here we go from the top up to there. And yes.